Hi, welcome to Yapology, episode 1, hosted by Janelle and
Akanksha.
we are both young women in Mumbai traversing life and figuring out how to do adulting because that shit is hard.
And it's not going well. It's, yeah.
Yeah, so we
Yeah.
decided to talk about our lives and our thoughts that sometimes can be philosophical, historical, artistic, artistic,
Artsy.
and artsy.
Mm.
I want to do all the istic words. But anyways, it can be very interesting, very personal and deep. So trigger warnings for too much oversharing. So yeah, this is full disclosure, our second round of what do you call this?
Recording.
A second round of recording this episode because Akanksha listened to the first 25 minutes of the one we recorded previously and decided that
I need to calm down. I
because
was
she
very
was
excited.
talking at 1.5x speed in real life.
And I don't know what was going on. And
There
it was
was
a lot.
too much emotions and it was too much.
I was excited.
She was.
I was
And
very excited.
now that she has listened to it and realized that we need to be more
Mm-mm.
calm and more human
Me?
so that people who are listening to it don't feel like they've suddenly hit the speed button whenever they listen to it. So yeah, this is what it is. So we are going to start by introducing ourselves because the void doesn't know who we are. Akanksha, begin.
Hi. So I'm Akanksha. I'm 22 years old. I hate that. Um, my favorite color is maroon. I really
Yes, it
like
is.
even numbers.
She does like even numbers. It's a weird thing about her.
I like 2 and 4. Like I love those numbers. And I am really into art, culture, literature. I really like art, culture, literature, writing, reading, talking.
She's a journalist, by the way.
I'm not proud of it yet. One day I will be
She should be. She wrote a really nice piece, which we will get to
later.
eventually.
But yeah, this is like episode 4 conversation. Why Akanksha's not proud of her
Journalistic career so far.
place in the corporate world right now.
Us,
That's-
babe, us.
yeah.
Yes, so that was Akanksha. Now, I'm Janelle. I am 21. Very much younger than Akanksha.
Can we
I
not?
am an Aries because whether or not that matters to you, Akanksha is a
Virgo.
which she does not subscribe to.
Yes, I do not. I don't believe. I don't align with that. Whatever.
I also don't align with Aries, but Akanksha says that I do.
You do give off Aries vibes.
Okay, I take that as a little bit of a personal offense because I'm not as hot-headed and as feisty as Aries are usually portrayed to be. Anyways, none of my business. I am also a junior wedding cinematographer at the moment, although my main interest lies in cinematography for films and television. So, yeah, that is what we are doing. We are both very new to the corporate world.
Very, very new.
Very new. We are both underpaid and overworked, which is the story
And
of
yelled at.
most people's lives.
And yelled at when they're not at fault.
Yeah, that's just
To
how.
put it mildly. To put it very
Yeah, we will
mildly.
get to that because Akanksha is being so chill about this right now because she was so not chill about this in our first initial recording.
Yes.
Maybe one day, if all goes well, and
You
we are
shall see the
probably
behind.
a couple of episodes in for an anniversary episode, we could like release the first initial cut of the.
Do you think we'll get there?
I think so.
I'm
not going anywhere.
To put it into context, I was like a very excited dog who looks at its human for the first time in a while.
Yeah, she was just like wagging her tail, jumping up
Yeah.
and down
If you heard
in
that,
recording context.
yes, if you
Yeah.
heard that recording, it would appear as though I'm not allowed to talk
in her life.
in my life. It's like hattachi ghadi tondavar boat 24/7, and they were like, you can talk now.
For 1 hour.
Yes.
And so she
Make the
took
most of it.
full advantage of it. And I did not have the heart to stop her at any point and say,
Listen, you
"Babe, calm
didn't
down."
know.
No, I didn't know that it's gonna sound this crazy when we listened back to it. We were
Exactly.
having fun and just having a regular conversation, talking over each other and everything.
Hmm.
So, yes, so that is my introduction. I also really love photography. I like films. I like TV shows. I read occasionally, although I've been in a slump, but getting out of it
Mm-hmm.
slowly. Um, what else? I paint. I love painting. I do it
That's
for
fun.
fun. And yeah, so does Akansha. We love that. That has been our introduction. So now we are going to talk about how we met because we now have a flow.
Context. Yeah.
So how did we meet, Akansha? Your perspective.
So I met Janelle at XIC, Saint Xavier's Institute
Of
of
communication.
Communication. It's a hellish place,
It is truly.
and we paid our parents paid a lot of money for us to get accepted. No, that's putting it out of context. We got accepted and we had to pay like really expensive fees. I would not recommend it, but that's just my opinion.
Yeah.
So I came across Janelle early on in the academic year. I was introduced to her and like a bunch of FTV kids, film and television kids, by another very talkative person. And Janelle does not recall that, but I do. I remember where she was sitting on the bench. हमारे कैंटीन में chairs और tables नहीं थे, benches थे जो like
Yeah, so
पुराने rusty
discarded,
benches. Yeah, the discarded ones.
benches from classrooms.
Recycled it. So Janelle was sitting on the other end of the table. I was sitting at this end of the table, and it was like very hi, hello. We said our hellos. We had a very interesting conversation.
Did we?
Yes, around like very odd people.
What interesting conversation.
Like we talked very deeply about film, television, and life in the beginning because although my film and television reach is not as deep as yours,
Mine isn't either.
I watched
barely
Nagin
scratched
for
the-
context. And ironically, I watched Nagin for context. Okay. So, but yeah, I remember we had a very interesting conversation, and I was stared at by this like very
creepy guy. from
steady
my
guy
class.
who
Yes.
wore like really very tight jeans.
Mm-hmm.
So two memorable MOMs from that
Mhm.
meeting. But Janelle and I didn't talk to each other. We like saw each other around. We smiled. This one time she just like walked away, and I was like, "Good for you, bro. I respect that. Like I really do." It was also
She makes me sound really mean, by the way, which is fair
it
enough.
is fair.
Yeah.
Also, it was 9 a.m. in the morning.
So why would I
Exactly.
converse
I
with
just
anybody?
had to like cross the road to get to college. She had to travel a long way. So I understand
Oh,
that.
yes, that is true. I had quite the commute
And we all went through a lot.
in general.
in
that
general,
year.
Yeah, and yeah, Janelle intimidated me a little in the beginning, and she came across as like she was in pain because she always looked like she was in pain.
Which I was. FTV was
Yes.
bad on the brain.
Yeah. Then I think okay. So what really prompted conversation was Janelle and I happened to be around each other during for like these 3 days for a project which I would summarize as fuck all. I lost.
In her opinion, it should have never happened.
It should have never really happened, and it encouraged like a bunch of people, and I hope they learn well from that project and don't think positively of it because it was not that good.
Mhm.
Anyway, I hold grudge against it because I spent some energy on a few people that were like very mean behind me.
Mhm.
And I lost 5 marks from the print production module.
Oh no!
And I really loved print production module. But that's okay. I made that choice. I was
You
fully
did.
aware of
By
it.
the way, for context, Akansha was in that project in the capacity of a dancer because Akansha is a beautiful dancer. That is my opinion.
Yeah.
She can fuck off, respectfully.
Yeah. Also, I realized I spent a lot of efforts on a person who did not deserve it.
Yes.
Okay.
And then back to how we met.
Yes. So we were around each other. Janelle and I started talking to each other, and we found like commonality, common interests. We had like really interesting conversations. And the thing is, most of the time, I feel like, and I'm very right about it. I talk like I'm in a hurry, and sometimes what I say does not land properly. Like it makes sense in my mind, but somewhere by the time I say it, it's like lost.
In translation,
But Janelle
from the
got it.
brain to the mouth,
Mouth.
it gets lost.
Yeah, like दिमाग से होते होते मुंह से निकलता गोबर. Okay, but Janelle got it. Like the energies, the vibes were very nice, and there are a very few people from XIC that I like talking to,
Mhm.
and it took like how like this moment is a product of like a few other series of
Yes.
events. But yeah, I really like talking to Janelle. We had a lot of fun, and I was surrounded by like these really yucky people,
Mhm.
especially. And Janelle was like, I loved
Mhm.
like her hatred for men, like the open hostility towards men.
For context, I am a asexual lesbian, so that makes sense for me because I've never had to apologize for men I
Yeah,
like
yeah, yeah.
behavior. So I just see them for who they are. I mostly just see shitty people for who they are in general
Which I love about
because
you.
I am not attracted to anybody, so I will never make excuses for anybody. So
True.
yeah.
And my pronouns are she, her.
Mine
I-
are also she, her.
Yeah, I'm cis-het woman.
Yeah, ew, boring.
Anyway,
She is one of, for context, one of my few straight friends because I
Ah.
barely have any.
Right.
Yeah, so you are in the minority here.
And I'm honored.
You should be.
I am, truly I am.
Yeah, you should
Yeah,
be.
it's also, this is very important because I was around like these really yucky people and these men who were like exhausting and dumb and like really entitled. So we got to know each other. Then there was like a gap because I went back home, college khatam hone ke baad. I took like some time off
And then
because
she
I
got a
had
job.
to, yeah, because I had to touch rock bottom every day and I was like really going through it. And then Janelle was like, so you
Oh,
moved,
then by then you moved back to
moved
Bombay
back
for
to
your
Bombay,
job.
yeah. And conversation, I don't know when this conversation happened, but
I asked her randomly. I was like, "You're back in Bombay. Where are
Yeah,
you?
yeah,
Where
yeah.
are you placed at the moment?" So
Ha,
she
ha,
said
ha.
that she's relatively near me, and I was really surprised. I was like, "What the hell?"
Yeah.
Because in my head, I thought you'd be more South Bombay.
No, no,
but
no, never again.
yeah.
Never again.
So then I realized she's actually really close to my house, so I
So she
invited her
invited,
over.
yeah, I was like, no, I remember it so well. It was like, you do realize you stay very close to me.
Mhm.
Come over, have Nana ke hath ka food. And I
Nana,
was
by
like,
the way, is my grandmother.
yeah. And I was like, I was so in it, going through it. I agreed because I really wanted to be in like a homely environment and eat homemade food because I was away from my home and my mama and my aji, and it was like painful. And I was like, this is how life will be from now on. I work and I cry myself to sleep. So yeah, I came over and it was very nice. I had like a lovely time there, and Janelle has like a very nice lawn
Mhm.
niche, and I was like, can I frolic here? And she was like, babe, no, there's mosquitoes. But I was like, it's okay, I'll chalega. So we had a lot of like, we had a nice conversation. Then she came over, and then we had like a very deep, intense conversation, and there was no going back from there.
Yeah. And then a couple of meetings followed until we finally realized that we should probably start a podcast.
And you missed a very important detail. We broke bread together.
We did. Akansha baked me.
No.
Made.
I made dosas for
She
you.
made me dosas,
Yeah.
and I baked
Dinner.
her cookies.
For my
and
birthday, yes.
For her birthday,
Which
which
were-
was
yeah.
fairly recently.
Yeah.
And then following that night, the birthday night,
Mhm.
we had another meet. And no, actually, it was birthday night, cookie night, when we
Cookie
decided
night, yeah.
to have like a crazy,
Belated
intense
cookie, happy
conversation about ourselves, and introspection moment happened for the both of us.
I want to scream.
But it was very eye-opening, and that is when we kind of decided that we should start a podcast.
No, it was actually in the auto
Yes.
when you said,
When we were going to get groceries, 2 meetings after this.
yes,
Or a
especially
meeting after this.
the sourdough bread.
Yes.
I was desperate
We
for sourdough
were
bread.
in so much traffic to reach a mall.
I don't want to think about it. I
because
don't want to think about that
it
night.
gave me so much pain internally. But I was also very happy to be sharing and spending time with Akansha because it was fun. So we
It
then
was,
decided that we
but
should
never
probably
again.
start a
Never again.
Just take the metro, bitch. It's
Yes.
fine. Don't even think about it.
I will stop romanticizing autos.
Stop, really,
I have stopped.
genuinely. I'm so
Genuinely.
grateful because she has a real problem. She will sit through traffic just because rickshaw mein maza aata hai. And she will never reach her
I can
destination
jump.
because of
See,
that thought.
auto rickshaws are the safest. Like if someone kidnaps me, I can jump off. You can't do that in
Yeah,
a
it's fine.
car.
It doesn't matter. The point is you
It's
need
like
to
a
reach
list
your
of my
destination.
irrational fears.
You need to reach a destination in the
We
least
reached.
amount of time and the least amount
We
of
are going
money.
off the
But
rail.
yeah, anyways, yes, we
Yeah.
are. The point is, now I am sounding crazy. It's my turn to listen to the podcast and be like, Janelle, chill. But yeah, anyways. So that's how we decided to make
Yeah.
the podcast. And that was a Akansha's story of how we met. For
Hmm.
me, my POV is we met fully at the end of Xavier's.
Yes. Like
Because
at the very end.
I would only see her around and I would think, oh, she has really nice style and she's very desi and I love what she looks like. And that is it. And then one day again, she was bitching about somebody at the canteen, and I was
Oh,
sitting
yeah.
across from her at a table. And my usual routine for lunch in Xavier's used to be earphones in, YouTube video out, have lunch, and then fuck off to class. And that day, when Akansha was sitting across from me at the table, she was sitting diagonally and she was talking to other people from her class, and she was on this deranged rant about a bizarre situation, and it was so intense and so odd that I had no choice but to eavesdrop.
I can't believe I experienced it and made out alive.
I don't even know how you did that either, because I was listening to that just in the most sneakiest way. I had my earphones still in and I was listening to this
And
conversation.
you know what? I saw you.
Yeah, and I
And your
saw
head
you.
was down.
Yeah.
And it looked like you were really minding your business, but you nosy ass bitch. But again, to be fair,
It
I
was a
so
bizarre story, and she
passionate and
was
so
very, very
loud
loud
about
about it.
Yeah.
So I had no choice but to hear it. Like I
Yeah,
did
yeah.
initially try to hear my YouTube video, but I could
Mhm.
not. So I was just listening to her instead. So
But
she became my podcast for that.
For what it's
time.
worth, it was bizarre enough that Janelle took an interest in me.
Yeah, that blows
Yeah.
Akansha's mind forever,
It
and
does.
good for her, as it should. So then after that day, we didn't really have a conversation until she was involved in that 3-day project.
Yeah.
And my initial thoughts about her behavior and like life in general was, oh my god, this girl has a beautiful look of love. So if you ask her to look at somebody
It
like she
was
loves them,
wasted.
shh. But if
But-
you ask her to look at somebody like she loves them, she really can give you a performance, and it is gorgeous. And I loved watching her rehearse. It was my favorite thing in those days. I was just like
I
watching
really
Akansha
liked it
dance.
too.
And I, like, through you, memorized the steps of that dance, even though it was none of my business because it was not my project.
I can
But it
actually name a few people who would have loved to replace me, but that's like
Yeah,
not for
no,
the
that is
podcast.
not for the podcast.
That's not for the podcast.
It could be eventually, but not now.
Not now.
But the thing is, it was really fun to
It
just watch her
was.
do her thing. And after her
Mhm.
rehearsals, she would come and sit with me, and then we would have really interesting conversations about
Yeah.
things that we both were interested in. And then following that, towards the end of the year, literally our last projects, Akansha had to write an essay.
No,
And
don't. It was a dissertation. It was a fucking
okay,
thesis.
fine, you had to write a thesis.
Yeah.
And
Essay
her
thesis.
laptop was broken, so she
Mhm,
would come
mhm.
to college and write her thesis every day, and I would watch her have so many cups of chai that looked unhealthy.
It was unhealthy.
Because how can you have 4 cups of chai when I'm
8.
watching you in a span of 4 hours? Like, that is not
My
normal.
highest chaha count was
8,
10.
10 chahas. You are not normal.
From 2:30, like 2-3 when class would end, till like 7:30 when the lab would close in the evening.
Yeah, which was very
But
problematic.
also, to be fair, it was like a chotu
No,
cup.
still though, that's a
Still,
lot.
I'm not denying it, but I'm just saying to be fair.
Yeah, it was tiny cups. It was not
Yes.
that tiny also. It was like a good 3-4 sips of chai.
हाँ तो कहाँ ज़्यादा है 3-4
कुछ ज़्यादा ही है if you combine the
Again,
amount of things you did.
Janelle's
na?
opinion.
Again, yeah, just my
Yeah.
opinion. So anyways, she would come to the computer lab to do her stuff, and I was also
Janelle
coincidentally
saw
in
me
the
broke
lab.
down.
I did see her
Yeah.
break down, and it was happening as she was writing a thesis on Devdasis.
Yeah,
And I
the
thought that
depiction
was
of
very, very
Devdasis
interesting. And I
in
asked her
cinema.
to read it. And I
Yeah.
asked her if I could read it, and I still haven't read it. I haven't read it. You have not sent it to me.
You know,
I
the
don't
most
know what
the
this
most
looks like.
irrelevant people in my life have read it, but not you.
That is crazy. You
That
should
is
send it to
crazy.
me.
Because again, we were not that close.
We
at
were
that
not
point.
that close
Yeah,
then.
yeah,
That
yeah.
is true.
I will send it to you right now.
Yeah, you should. So, we had conversations in the computer lab, and because I
Mhm.
was there doing final project stuff as well.
Mm.
So that is how we got close. And then convocation happened. Then I met her and I invited her to my birthday party, which she
And
did
my
not come
mom.
for because she was with
Because
her mom and her sister, and they were
we were
about to
going,
fly
yeah.
back home. So that was fun. And then we had, again, like she said, no contact really until she moved back to Bombay. And then the rest is the same. Just a lot of Akansha, let's meet, we should do things, we should meet, we should meet, we should meet. And then we met. And again, lots of talking. Hence the name of this podcast.
Only the
Yeah,
talking.
apology.
Only
Only
talking.
talking, truly, because we didn't really do anything apart from talking and eating.
Mhm.
And most of the time we've met, we've only talked, not even ate food.
We run our mouths
we
a lot.
do,
Like
we
it's
do.
cardio.
It is.
It is a lot of cardio.
And so that is why, again, we decided it's podcast time. It's not really monetizable, but it is fun for the both
No,
of us.
listen, if a podcast bro with like really misplaced amount of confidence, midness, can yap,
We can also,
we can also. And we to read. And we read good stuff.
we to read.
We to read.
हम तो पढ़े लिखे हैं. And not just the books written by other gym bros. We read proper
Substantial,
like
matter, literature.
literature.
We are women in Falgum.
No, I told
Falgum.
you. Phlegm.
Phlegm? Yeah, sorry. I don't know why I
She
said Falgum.
pronounces it Falgum.
I think it's in Hindi, it's called No, that's Falguni.
No, that's Falguni Patak. That is
Falguni.
Garba moment. Alag
Yeah.
hai.
No, phlegm.
Phlegm, yes. We are women in phlegm. What is phlegm?
Philosophy,
Hmm.
history,
Hmm.
English,
Hmm.
literature,
Hmm.
film,
Movies.
movies, maths,
I hate math.
misery,
Misery.
misery,
Misery. Misery is good.
misandry,
That is also good.
misandry.
I don't mind that.
I like hating on men because they deserve that much.
And Akansha is a straight woman, so that she deserves to because she has a lot of encounters with them, unlike me. So yeah, that is Women in Phlegm. Speaking of reading and literacy, what have you been reading lately?
I thought you'd never ask, although you have, even though you didn't. I like as usual. I just came up and like, hey, do you want to know what I'm reading?
Yeah.
So I have been reading A Ballad of Songbirds and Snakes, which is the prequel to
We
the
Love
Hunger
by
Games.
Dictators.
Yes.
We don't. That was sarcasm. In case nobody
In case.
detected it. Yeah.
Please, guys, thoda ध्यान से सुनो. Everything we say, take it with a pinch of salt.
Yes.
Actually, not a pinch, like
Take
a
it with bags
tablespoon.
of salt.
Yeah.
Because I just, general disclaimer, we must not be sued or have any legal action taken against us for our opinions and thoughts because this is just two young adults talking shit about their lives and their situations
Yeah.
in our very middle class homes and incomes. So we
The
do not
incomes,
have,
it's like barely there.
yeah, it's basically non-existent.
Hmm.
So do not ever take legal action against us. We'll just cry. So
Honestly, I have the audacity to say, बोल दिया, हाँ तो क्या?
yeah,
क्या
she'll say it
करेगा
though, but we don't want to pay for it.
We don't
So-
want to pay for it. But I can't pay for it.
We
Anyway.
can't. Yeah, that's true.
So I'm reading the prequel to the Hunger Games, and I really am enjoying it so far because I like. This is not a book review, so I will not dwell into that.
Mhm.
But I'm reading this, and I really like it, and I'm reading it to sort of like really hold myself grounded because I was reading Wattpad,
Mm.
which I'm not ashamed of.
The usual
I
pipeline.
am guilty,
Smart
not
to
ashamed.
dictatorship is
Yes,
the usual.
exactly. Yeah, that's like
It
a
is the
regular Tuesday for
usual.
me.
Yeah, it's the usual path of any girl online.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, like I'm guilty but not ashamed of reading Wattpad, but I realized Wattpad is just not the same anymore.
Yeah.
And I realized मेरे दिमाग में सच में जंग लग रही है, like
That is
बहुत
true.
ज़्यादा जंग.
But she also mentioned that the only reason she kind of deleted it was because her favorite author has not been posting anymore.
Posting, yes,
So then I agreed and I said,
I
honestly,
have never groveled at someone's feet the way I did when I sent her a very public message in her comment section. She's like,
what? On
Annie?
Wattpad?
yes,
Oh.
yeah.
So there's like a long ass out 200 word.
No. It's very short, it's very concise, and it's very to the point, which scared me. I saw my ability as like a convincing writer because I really did pour out my heart. But anyway,
Into 150 characters or less.
yes. My Twitter, I refuse to call it X,
She
is a
not
testimony for that.
disclosing her Twitter to me,
Yeah.
and that is pissing me off. because I want to
I
know your
might
brain
actually.
thoughts. We have a podcast together now. It's
After
basically a child. You should tell me what your Twitter is.
after
Because I
last
also have a
conversation,
Twitter and I barely tweet.
that was me.
Yeah.
But now I do.
Oh, she has opinions now.
Yeah. I have a big mouth also.
She does. In case you haven't noticed.
Okay, so what was I saying? Wattpad, हाँ,
Yes.
delete कर दिया. And I'm reading this book now. It's very good. I also read like a very interesting article, and it's going well. I haven't been reading as much as I want to, or I used to.
Or you should.
Yeah, or I should.
Same.
Like I should read. I read a lot, but none of that is actually good enough. Like it's not helping me as a person. It's not.
Bro, okay, nothing has to help you as a person. You can just do it
It
for
kind
fun.
of should. I shouldn't get worse than I am. I should like try to
Be
get
a
at least,
better
yeah,
human.
at least try to
Yeah, attempt should be made.
attempt. हाँ.
I agree.
So I did that. And I have been reading emails a lot, which what
Does
has
not
life
count.
become?
Truly.
Honestly,
Who
what has life
thought
become?
a girl that would be watching Barbie at age 5 and 6 be reading emails at age 21
I
and
didn't watch
22?
Barbie when I was 5 years old.
Did you not?
No,
What the hell?
I didn't have that kind of cable network.
What did you watch? Shing Chan.
No,
Fuck you.
I used to watch Oswald a lot.
I love Oswald.
Naughty.
See, Barbie used to run on the same channels for me.
नहीं, see, I think Barbie
The
used to
Barbie movies.
Barbie movies
Yeah.
में वो पुरानी वो 2D,
The old, yes, the
very
old.
shit looking.
No, excuse
No,
me.
no, there
They
were
are the best
no.
versions.
Wait, listen. When I say
The
shit
early
looking,
2000s.
the early 2000s,
Yes.
like the shit looking. What I'm saying is, have you seen? There's like, if you take a screenshot, it looks like the face is melting off.
No.
Yes.
Okay, I would agree for the Swan Lake. Barbie and the Swan
exactly.
Lake
The Barbie
did
and the
look
Swan
like that.
Lake.
It was
The
struggling
prince was ugly.
animationally.
Like, but again, men are.
Animationally, Barbie and the Swan Lake was struggling. But since then, since after Barbie and the Swan Lake, the movies have been bangers. 12 Dancing Princesses, Princess and the Pauper.
That's my favorite. 12 Princess.
I love that.
I love it too. Oh my god, it's beautiful.
It's amazing.
Genevieve, what a fuck all name, but like Genevieve.
Well, it's not a fuck name. It's such a pretty name.
Genevieve.
All of his names were so pretty. They were
Genevieve.
named from like A to B, A to G. No,
No, A
They
to
were 12. A to whatever the 12th alphabet
6 is 12. E is 6.
So what is 12?
Let's not. I think we should end
We
it
used to
here.
sit and do counting.
Nahi.
Anyways, no, that's what Akansha has been reading.
What have you been reading, Janelle?
I have been reading a book by a Palestinian author called We Are Far Enough from Love. Yeah, which is a anthology type book. It's not a series, it's just a standalone book, and it's a little bit heartbreaking because it's unknown characters cut snippets of their lives, of when they were in love or when they were yearning, and when it's just very interesting, and it's all set in Palestine, so I can picture it because I lived in Dubai, so I'm like picturing the hoods of Dubai, like, oh, this is the life they were living. It's so cute, and it's really sad. It's thoda sa heartbreaking, but yeah,
It's
before
like
that,
Gaza Monologues X.
Yeah.
Mahmoud Darwish.
Yeah.
And diary entries.
that is truly it. And I also read The Animal Farm, and it took me 2 months to finish that
Good
because it is barely a 100-page book.
It is a very small book.
It
It's
is
like
a tiny book.
novella-ish.
It is a
Yeah.
novella.
Yeah.
It's not even a book.
Novel, yeah.
And neither is this one, by the way, that I'm reading. It's also barely 100 pages. But Animal Farm took me 2 months because it was brain rot for me, because I kept thinking about the parallels to the real world, and it just pissed me
Yeah.
off to no end. And by the end of the book, I just read it out of spite. I was like, now I need to finish it. I know how this is going to end. I know I'm not going to like the ending, but I'm going to finish it because it's pissing me off and it's reminding me too much of the real world. So fuck you. And that is how I finished The Animal Farm, which is sad because it's the first book I read after a big break. So yeah, it was just not the best. It was a good book, well written,
Of course.
triggering to my
Yeah.
soul politically,
Politically.
but visually also very weird to picture pigs walking on their 2 legs.
But
So
that's
crazy.
like just George Orwell. So I wrote an article on his birthday.
Yes, you did.
George Orwell, How Did You Know?
Mm-hmm.
Where I drew parallels about his work, especially in 1984,
Mm-hmm.
and what has been happening in India.
Mm-hmm.
And it is so creepily and alarmingly similar.
Should I read it? I was considering reading 1984, but I thought if
It
Animal Farm
is.
was too much for me, what is 1984 gonna do?
1984 is, I think it's like reading Indian newspapers, but like with a little more, you know,
Pyar.
future nostalgia essence. Like George Orwell, when he wrote that,
Mhm.
he imagined how it would be. He was very right.
And I
Again,
hate when authors are right about
right, yeah.
futures because it's
So,
usually the bad stuff and it's never the good stuff.
exactly, it really is. So, yeah. Anyway, I like to write, like I mentioned, and I wrote that article, and I at one point my hands were shivering because like, what the fuck, bro? ये तो
Her
बहुत ही ज़्यादा
brain
real
could
हो
not
गया.
comprehend how realistic this has suddenly become.
And I write stuff like that, and I have to read stuff like that to make a living. As of now,
That is your job.
yes.
And I hope that continues to be your job because you're very good at it.
I would really like to be at a better place.
Anybody would, but
Yes, but we are grateful for what we have.
we are.
But I get to bitch about it.
We both do.
We
Yes.
both do. Yeah. So that was that. How was your week? Tell me.
My week, well, my
Mm.
work week was pretty monotonous and boring. I spent a lot of time listening to podcasts
Mm-hmm.
while working because a job was very loser.
Mm-hmm.
Because I had to sort through old 2018 wala wedding data, every single event, every single camera, every single card to find certain shots that could work for an ad campaign.
That is crazy.
And that is a lot of data. And so far, I've completed 12, 30, 15 weddings out of a
Does that
38
like,
wedding
is it
list.
footage of like the bride rotating
It is
around
every
like
single
Shaktiman?
thing. It is footage of the random people sitting at the wedding. It is footage of the mehndi. It is footage of the bride rotating. It is footage of the bride walking around at her feras. It is footage of the bride wearing her lehenga. It is everything. Every single thing. So I get to watch weddings of I've so far gone to watch weddings of 15 couples, and they have been shot in a very
That's like,
2018, 2019 way.
shoot me in my fucking face.
So it is pissing me off because it is
Ugh.
very monotonous and it's not fun at
Mhm.
all, which is why so many podcasts and everything, because I need serotonin or
mhm.
something to distract me from the pain.
Mm-hmm.
But that is not my job forever. My job in the wedding season will be to obviously shoot weddings. Looking
Which is
forward to
no
that.
short of a punishment, not gonna
It's
lie.
for Akansha, but for me, I like shooting. At least that is much better than
Yeah,
sitting
yeah.
at a
I hope
desk.
you get to shoot better stuff, but like
Yes,
weddings,
I
no.
will be shooting better stuff. I
Yeah.
have a Nagpur wedding planned and a Jaipur wedding so far. So we will be
Ooh.
traveling. Jaipur ke tickets haven't been booked yet. But anyways,
Mhm.
so that's what I've been doing. And then I met a lot of people this
Mhm.
week after work, and I did too much extra activity
Mhm.
and felt really sick. So I took a day off today and decided to
Do you
still.
feel better now?
Yeah, I do actually.
That's nice.
My throat still itches because something is definitely wrong with me. But that is just the state of Bombay at the moment.
Yeah,
Um,
everyone's sick, but it's not like, it's not bad enough, but it's also not nice
Yeah,
to be
it's not
sick.
life-threatening,
Yeah,
but it is shit to just live with.
true.
So that is what's happening at the moment. I also have work things lined up for tomorrow, which are
Mhm.
very exciting because I will be paid money, and it is so fun to be paid
What has
a
life
fair
come down
amount.
to? This
You
is
know, I know.
so
Why are we here as a
sad.
crying about money? This is so shit. Like, see, neither of us expected to live this long, I think.
I kind of did, and I still want
You
to. Like,
did.
but
I definitely did not.
let's
So this
let's
is going
not
away.
not again.
Not today.
Not today.
Not at this
Not
podcast.
today.
We will do it
Janelle, you
on one
scare me when
episode.
you talk about like life and death.
Which is why I think we should, because it's fun.
Not
We should unpack
today.
that. Not today.
We should
though.
unpack it.
We should unpack
Pehle
it.
off, like without mics.
No, we should do it with mics. I want to see you melt down. It's fun for me. But anyways,
You have
that
sick
has
ways of
been.
finding entertainment.
That is true. I'm a little bit of a sadistic bitch. What can I say?
You're like President Snow at times.
Do not compare me to that dictator, please.
I'm not, but just like sadistic
Yeah,
means of
that's true. But
entertainment.
he is not sadistic. He is sadistic for capitalism. I'm just sadistic for fun.
And that's on being a girl.
That truly is. So yeah, that's how my week has been. I watched Joker 2, which I also have opinions about. Again,
Oof.
it is about
I think
mentally
we
ill
know.
man
Yeah.
doing mentally ill things.
The
And
trailer is more than enough for
see,
me.
it's very well shot, and the soundtrack is
I'm sure it
banger.
is.
But I watched it really early in the morning, and I hated that the
How early
movie
in the
was made
morning?
in general. 9:15.
What the
Although I
fuck
was
is wrong?
5 minutes late to the movie and I reached at 9:45 because PVR plays trailers for like adha ghanta, which I appreciate because at least I didn't miss much of the movie. But what a movie, bro. It did not need to be made. It was definitely a crash grab. The plot did not plot for 2 whole hours.
That's
If
what
you
I'm
are
saying.
making
Like,
a
uska trailer
plotless,
is enough.
if you are
We
making a
know.
plotless movie, you do not have to make it 2 hours long.
It
You
could
can,
be
it could be an email, it could be a trailer, it could be a short film. I would have
short films,
appreciated
yes.
a short film so much more. But they would not do that for that
Because
budget
paisa.
and for those actors and
Yeah.
for the vision that they had, and it was fine. But the soundtrack really kept
I think they didn't have a vision. They're just like, let's ball with it.
it does feel
Let's
like it.
decide what happens.
See, they had a
tomorrow.
vision with the music. I don't think they had a vision with the plot. Because with the music, the plot could have been so much
Do you think they
better.
just made a movie because they wanted to use
Make
that?
a musical?
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of do. Because the
Album
pacing was
release
so
kar do.
fucked. The pacing was so fucked.
Yeah, that's like a lot of movies.
Because it was basically scene and then clip of song. And you know, it didn't really tie
Basically
very
like a
well
90s
into each other.
movie.
Yes, which did grind my gears a little bit because that is not my style of movie
Mhm.
that I enjoy. But anyways, I went with Kashish and then we had a really long day after that. It was very fun, but exhausting. And I came home and I was sick. So that is how life has been lately. And yeah, what else? Have you been watching anything new?
Not new. I have been watching Game of Thrones again.
We're not doing the whole thing.
No,
We can't hit
absolutely
those
not.
notes.
But I love it when it just.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have been watching Game of Thrones, which is, I don't know why. It's like with
Is
the
it
kind
your
of
comfort show? It's not very
no,
comforting.
it is not a comfort
It
show. And if it is someone's comfort show, I'm concerned.
See, but the thing
I'm
is,
not
even
judging
I
you,
have
but
had
I'm
concerning
concerned.
comfort shows, so it's fine.
No, but like Game of Thrones is not anyway. It's fucked up in like a
Interesting way.
interesting way.
Yeah.
In a good, interesting, fucked up way.
Yeah. In a nice production level way also.
Yeah,
It's so
that's
pretty to look
aspirational.
at.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's a show well made.
It is a show well made.
Except
The
for the
last season, nobody talks about it. That is our Voldemort.
Yeah. He who should not be named. That who should not be named. Anyway, so I've been watching Game of Thrones again. I don't know for what reason. Maybe because Geo Cinema has it. But before, so I went from watching Sex and the City to Game of
What?
Thrones. Yeah, it's a weird leap.
What is this transition? All your transitions are so bizarre.
yeah.
They make no sense.
It's like I hop with my leg twisted around and I land where I land. So that happened. I've been rewatching GOT and I like it.
Oh.
I like that I'm watching a show that I really enjoyed and I still feel the same way about it. But I don't know if I want to watch something new. Like these days, I have been feeling this way for a while now. I no longer feel excited to watch anything.
Oh, I do know where that is coming from. I also had that phase.
I know indie cinema is doing well. I know there's good stuff out there, but you don't understand how I used to do an Olympic level long jump to land back in front of the TV before the ad got over and they would resume the movie or show. It's just not there anymore.
It's I think you're losing the zest for life a little bit because the corporate world is
they really...
which it tends to happen. Me too. I was in that rut as well until very recently, until good shows were released lately.
Good for you.
Yeah, so
I would like to say that and feel that.
Thank you. Very proud of it actually. Lately I have watched 2 really interesting shows that I have watched lately that I thought were a little bit out of the box. Well, one was Chaos.
Wait, before that, I watched the 4th episode of Mindhunter out of nowhere.
Oh, just that episode?
Yes, because my friend... Okay, so my friend came over. She wants some help with work and I felt very productive. That was actually the most productive thing I've done in the entire fucking week.
Was watch. Okay.
No, help her with work.
Yes.
Yeah, and she was like, "This is a very good show." I was like, "I know it is." I watched the first episode of a few seconds, and I was like, "No, not today.
Okay.
No, not today. Just not the vibe I was going for." But we watched the 4th episode, and I was like, "This is a well-written show."
The Mindhunter is a good show. I used to watch it with my
Succession
aunt.
Also, I was watching, and I stopped in between. I was like, "Dekhta."
You should. Okay,
I am
so Succession,
continuing.
not watch it. You can stop also. Take your time.
Okay.
Because Succession was a show I have tried to watch for years.
Sorry, that was my lip gloss that I bought like
unnecessary noise on all our parts.
yeah.
Anyways, we Succession I watched. It was painful to deal with the first few episodes. Like I couldn't even get through the first episode. I
The
just
first
could
episode
not
was
watch
so like what is
it. It
going
was
on?
weird. It was weird, but it was a good introduction to I guess the rest of
Succession's
the episode.
theme music is
Hmm.
what is like the PR
Yeah.
for that show is
Truly,
that it is
because their
so
first episode
good.
is a little bit crazy just to watch. I couldn't get through it.
They
And
also-
that's not usually who
It
I
also
am.
felt like they also have no vision.
We think that, but then you
Yeah,
watch
but
the rest of the
exactly,
season
of
and you know
course.
that there was an aim. But
Mhm.
I had not obviously watched the rest of the season. I just had a
Oh.
very difficult time going through the first episode.
Mhm.
Eventually, months later, I decided maybe I should, right before I started
I
working.
give you a second chance.
Yeah, and I did, and I finished it, and it was an interesting show. It
Yeah,
was not
it
my
is.
favorite show ever. It is very well acted,
Mhm.
very well acted. The entire cast deserves all their flowers,
Yeah.
but not truly my taste because it
makes
didn't really
sense.
fit the stuff that I usually love with
Yeah,
my
yeah, yeah.
heart and soul.
Hmm.
What I do love with my heart and soul are shows like Heartstopper because
Oh,
queer
yeah.
rep everywhere. It's so cool. Their entire world is gay. I love it.
Good for you.
And that's what I've been watching lately. I am
Mhm.
on the fifth or sixth episode, sixth or seventh episode actually of Heartstopper.
You have been devouring it.
I have been doing. I started it yesterday, and
And you're already on the
last
seventh.
night I started last
Yeah.
night, and I slept early, so I didn't even watch that much. I just watched a lot.
You slept early.
I slept early yesterday. I slept at 10:30.
Weren't you the same person who slept at like 6 a.m. in the morning?
Yes, but I was
You're a
also
new
sick.
person
We
now.
need to remember that
Yeah,
yesterday I felt
yeah,
sick
yeah.
and my brain hurty, so I had to sleepy. So I
Mm.
did. I slept for 11 hours and it was glorious.
Good for
So
you.
yeah, and very interesting dreams. But anyways, Heartstopper and Chaos, a show on Netflix that not a lot of people are watching at the moment. I think it has a very small cult following right now, but it's
So you
a.
wanted to blow up.
I do want it to blow up
Oh, okay.
because it's a very intriguing concept. It's a Greek mythology. It's a Greek myth set in modern day.
Why did I know about
Yeah.
it? I'm going
Nobody
to watch
knew about it,
I'm
that's
going
the
to watch
thing.
it today.
And it's a Netflix show. It's not even like it's an HBO show. Not that much shade to HBO, but whatever HBO does, they don't promote. And
Yeah.
I have so many HBO shows that I really
HBO
love.
does good
They
work.
do really good
Yeah.
TV shows. One day I will talk about another
HBO.
TV show.
This is
We should have
yeah.
like an HBO episode, but HBO does
you talk
such
about
good
HBO
shit.
shows. I talk about why I watch Nagin.
Yes,
7 reasons why I watch Nagin.
and that is what you will get from this podcast.
Yes. A lot of juxtaposition, like a very broad horizon,
Yeah, you'll learn about a lot of things.
a very diverse plateau.
A very diverse pattern.
something for
Because
everyone.
also unrelated, she's vegetarian. I'm very not vegetarian. I love chicken, but yeah,
I tried chicken.
she didn't like it.
No, I think
She
that
ate
was
it
not-
wrong.
Yeah, I ate it wrong. I really ate it wrong. I should not have started with that. I should
Yeah.
have started something
Maybe
small,
we can slowly
something-
introduce you to chicken like you're a
Yes.
child.
And I got sick the next day.
Mm.
This was in Delhi when I went to Delhi.
I'm also not going to
with my
trust Delhi
buddy.
ka khana to be like the best khana.
You know, listen. You know what Delhi does really,
Another
really well?
episode. This is for
But
another
like, I just want to
episode.
say,
yes,
Delhi eats shit.
yes,
Yes.
fine. We will be cancelled right now. First
I
episode
do
done,
not
finished.
care.
And yeah, it's fine. It's not like we give a shit.
Yeah.
Anyways, so Chaos, Greek retelling of the
Retelling of a Greek myth.
yes, of the myth of Eurydice and Orpheus.
No fucking way.
Set in the modern day with modern context, and it's a little bit flipped, and it's not exactly the same as the Greek
God
myth.
bless,
And
yeah.
it's very fun because we are watching. Bro, Jeff Goldblum
Uh-huh.
is Zeus. The casting in that show is so hot. Okay, it matches. Also, the
I
actress that plays Eurydice is so
Felt
pretty.
something.
She is so pretty, and Jeff Goldblum does a very good Zeus. He is so entitled in the right ways, and you need him to be actor. Also, the
I think-
person who plays Hera
Okay.
is. Have you watched Me Before You?
Yes.
Do you know Will's mother in Me Before You?
Yeah.
The tall ass, beautiful
Yeah.
woman.
Yeah.
She plays Hera.
You know what? I have
Doesn't
like
that make sense in your head?
it does.
It
But you know
does.
what also makes sense?
Yeah.
I think Hera and Jaya Bachchan are very similar because they are wronged by a man who
No, but
nobody
if you
no no
watch-
no hear me out. I have a point and I'm getting onto something.
Okay.
I feel like Hera, Jaya Bachchan also has to spend her life with a man who is not very nice,
Yeah.
but is not sort of held accountable for his action. But we
Yeah,
know he has done
now I
shady
see
shit.
where you're coming
You
from.
know, but we always get mad at, oh, Hera or Jaya Bachchan, they're so bitter, they're so mean. But
They
put
deserve
it
to a
into
little bit.
perspective.
But
And
that's the thing
also,
about Greek myths, na? It's very nuanced. And you see the nuance in the
listen,
show,
Greek
and
myths
it is
and mythology is politically incorrect.
everything about it is incorrect, bro.
So politically incorrect.
Everything is. And that is
It's
the thing. It's all in the show.
Yeah. Can I
Anyways,
move?
I think the door got locked, but whatever, I will take
Whatever.
it.
Yeah.
So it was fun. That show was great. Heartstopper also cute. I watched Nobody Wants This on Netflix.
Okay.
I watched it while I was on my phone, so it was not very.
Mm-hmm,
I was not drawn to it. It was very background,
mm-hmm.
so won't say much about it. It's fine though.
Good for you.
But that's what I've been watching lately,
Mhm.
and it's not the best curation of things, so we need to fix that.
But that's okay.
Yeah,
I have been watching.
Heartstopper is redeeming my week.
Good for you.
Yeah.
I've been watching a lot of video essays on YouTube.
Me too. That's
And
what
I
I've
like
been
that.
doing for 2 years.
I
actually,
like
of my
that.
life.
I don't like watching, I like video essays.
I love video
Pop
essays.
culture.
I
video
wanted.
essays.
I thought I could be a video essay girly. Like I could produce them.
No, with the
But the
way
thing
we,
is-
with the,
Yeah, the thing is,
Yeah.
I can't write it down the way script writers do it.
Mhm.
But I have thoughts, and I'm not gonna do a train of thought video essay because that's stupid. That's
that is a podcast.
Also, I feel like yes, it
Yes.
is, and this could be that podcast.
It is that podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah. You
So
feel
what
like.
we can do
Hmm.
is now wrap it up because we are almost at the 50-minute mark, and there is a lot of
Wow,
background noise. Time flies.
flies.
And this is much better than our first version because we are so much calmer.
What if it's
Um,
boring?
It's not going to be boring. It's going to be very regular
Okay, we'll see. to
because
that
that was a lot of energy.
That was a crazy.
That
That
was
was
a
like
lot
Red
of
Bull on
energy.
steroids.
You were Red Bull on steroids. I was very much not.
You enabled me.
Okay, make it my fault.
I'm not. I'm just
But-
saying you enabled me.
Okay, fine, whatever. Anyways, so this is all we're going to talk about today.
Mm-hmm.
Very chill, very calm, very
Mhm.
not Red Bull on steroids.
Mm-hmm.
We hope you enjoyed it,
Mhm.
and we shall see you guys next time. Bye.
You shall hear us again
Yes.
because you will.
Yeah, you will. You have no choice.
Bye.